Hello crafty cuties! I have two journals to share with you. I really wanted to be able to show you the final journals that I created using the tutorials that are in my video course for the Bohemian Junk Trunk kit, and I also have just the video course by itself. But since you guys don't get to see those videos unless you have the kit or the video course, I wanted to show you at least a couple of the things that you could create with those classes. So I have two different style journals here. This is a wraparound journal and this is a patchwork journal, and I did a hidden binding method on this one. Let's go ahead and start with this one really quick. So mostly everything that is on this journal and in this journal was in the kit. Each kit varies, but you can find out more information about the kit if you want. I'll leave some information down below, but I have a little bohemian bead here on this side. I just love how this one turned out. And let's get right in. I'll just do a little flip through for you of each journal. I made these layered pockets, which is also one of the tutorials, and this is also in the video course and the kit as a printable. Now I left this journal pretty blank because I wanted it to be kind of like a writing journal. And so you'll see I didn't add too much. So what I wanted to do was add some decoration on the side. So I made a ton of tabs here, layered textile tabs, which is also one of the videos in the video course. So basically I kind of teach you how to make everything. So this is one of the printables here, and you can make it into a pocket here if you want, or you can make it all one tag, whatever you like. And you can print the printables as many times as you want and stuff. I also have the printables. They'll be available separately. I have little journaling cards. This is one of the printables. I just want to point everything out so you guys can kind of know. But I have lots of copy dyed papers. Oh, and so this is a page from the digital kit that is included with the kit, or you can purchase it separately from Mind Beretti's Etsy shop. And that's just one of the pages that I had printed a little bit smaller. So yeah, I am just loving this. I just feel like the obviously the main part of this show is the cover of this journal, but I love how the tabs turned out as well. This is another page from the digital kit, the Rustic Bohemian 2. And we have a little library card on the back here. So there's that one. And we'll set that aside, and then we can look at the wrap journal. So the tassel is another thing that I show how to create. And this just a really simple journal, kind of almost like a traveler's notebook journal, I guess. Yes, and we have this right here, wraps around. And this Indian Kantha quilt is one example of the prints that is included in the main kit. And then again, I'm not going to point it out anymore, but almost everything is in the kit in here. I do use and incorporate some of my own things, some of my own papers and things like that. But for the most part, everything is a part of the kit. And so this is what the digital kit looks like that comes with the full kit. And this is the size that it is. This is like, I think it ends up being about 5 by 7. So we have a little fabric tip in here. Vintage book page with a little fold out. I'll bring this over just a bit. And I think that these journals, I'm pretty sure I'm going to have them in my shop available to purchase. And it will probably be on the date of my kit release, which is July 8th at 2 p.m. So I'll have all the info down below if you want to see that, but either way, maybe you just want to see the journals and get some ideas for a Bohemian journal. I just love how both of these turned out. It's honestly going to be kind of hard for me to let these go, so that's why I haven't decided yet. Dictionary pocket here, you can put something in there. And so you can see I didn't fill this one up either. If I sell them, I'll probably include some extra little goodies. Just to be filled up, but I kind of wanted them to be just a little bit more plain than usual, and just have like nicer decorations as kind of the star of the show. And there are pockets in the front here. I don't know if I showed that. Oh yeah, and then the back and the front. And then this one's so nice because it's just so flexible. And I think that this would be like a nice journal to kind of just carry along with you somewhere. So I hope that if you end up getting the video course or the kit, that you enjoy trying this style journal. So there we go, guys. That is the 2 journals and other things that I made using the Bohemian Junk Trunk kit. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, you can leave them below. I'm just in love, and I just can't wait to share all of the goodies with you guys and the video course with you guys. And I like, the best part is seeing what you guys create, because you're so talented and creative, and it's so fun to see what you create with a kit that I put together. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.